Saya Maria. It's Monday morning. I've set myself a challenge. So between now and when I start back at work, I'm hoping to form a habit. And that habit is to walk daily for half an hour. And so I've had my days of staying in bed and doing nothing, and now I'm moving. So yes, that's my goal from now until the end of 2025, I hope, or forever, to walk half an hour every day. Okay. Bye. I'm walking 18 degrees already, but I'm out here walking because I know we're going to Bendigo later this afternoon and it's going to be really hot. So I've put on my Free West Papua t-shirt on Christmas morning and I'm walking to form a habit. Later this after I've finished walking, I'm gonna go say happy birthday to my sister. And Merry Christmas to my great aunt. Doesn't really feel like Christmas this year because we've had sickness in our family, and so we had to reschedule our regular family Christmas Eve get together. So we haven't had that time with family yet. And then this afternoon with my in-laws, we have one child who's down sick and another child who's doing things because he's old enough to do stuff by himself. And so yeah, it just feels like a different kind of a Christmas this year, which I don't know. I don't mind it because I've been overstimulated this whole year, and so I've had a few near burnouts, lots of meltdowns. In fact, I had a meltdown just the other day, but yeah. So yeah, that's me this Christmas. I'm still walking. Hope you have a wonderful day. Manuele Christimasi, and fast before. It is hot. So it's 8 at night. I'm going for my walk because if I don't, then it won't get done. The skies look like it's gonna rain, which is beautiful because it's freaking hot. Might not be a big walk today, but it's gonna be a walk. It is Boxing Day, and I've been thinking about Boxing Day when I was growing up here in Melbourne, and every Boxing Day my best friend and her family would invite my family to go to the beach with them, and that memory came up yesterday, and I feel like it's one that I should continue. So yeah, I'm going to be making more memories with my family and friends, and hope that I'll be able to do this regularly, not only on Boxing Day. But yeah, crossing the road, will not get run over. But yes, Christmas was different. It was great to get together with some of my family, but yes, thinking of all my close friends and family who have recently lost someone. So today for my CEO Walking Diary, I was not alone. Today I had Nigel with me, so we were chatting while we were walking, so hence the voiceover. Today's walk was a lot nicer than yesterday. Yesterday was hot, today was a lot cooler, although the sun did have a bit of bite. I was not able to do any kind of work today because I'm still in holiday mode, and procrastination is huge for me. So yeah, today we had just a quick walk up and down the street. Blood pressure was great, which is great. Then I got stressed when we went shopping after our walk. still lots of people at the shops, so Boxing Day sales are still bringing people to the shops, so I am going to avoid them as much as I can because that's stressful for me. Hope you have a great day today. So for today's walking diary, I walked in the city for a long time to lunch with my friends. This is me bad from the street. We went to Shoya, a Japanese restaurant in the city. I had like 6-course meal, 4-course meal, I don't know, but there was lots of sashimi, lots of yummy food. I was jealous of my friend's bento box, so this is her bento box. The crab claw was delicious, and it came with roasted okra, so that was my first time tasting okra and some other veggies. All of it was just delicious. Definitely go to Shoya in the city. I don't know where it is, somewhere in the city. The Wagyu beef, oh my gosh, wish I had some more. Then we even had dessert. So after we went to Shoya, we went and did an escape room just around the corner at Trapped. It was a jewelry store burglary thing that we had to solve, and we solved it with 7 minutes left. This is 6:20. Tyler for lover. I'm walking again. Why did I start my walking diaries? So I have endometriosis, and before I found out or had severe symptoms, I was very active, played netball, basketball, some kind of sport every day. And then I started to get the symptoms, and that meant I could not walk very far or go very far without needing to run to a bathroom. I was scared that physical exercise was going to cause me pain, which had happened a few times, and so I was scared. So because of the pain, I found it difficult to want to exercise, to want to do anything. And I got depressed. I did not feel like myself. And I let fear rule my life. And I'm not doing that anymore. So my walking diaries is about me taking back control of my life and being my true self. So this can also be attributed to other things in my life, not just health-wise. I want to excel in my business. I want to connect more with my Samoan culture. I want so many things, but sometimes fear can get in the way. And so this journey of me walking is part of helping me to overcome those fears. Yes. So welcome to the walking diaries of a Samoan CEO. Moana Petaya. Thank you for watching. Tofasui for Talofa lava. It is day 8, 365 days of the Samoan CEO Walking Diaries. That's a lot of words to say. But yeah, today my walk is taking me to the beach. I'm excited to get in the water. I'm gonna walk up Just a bit of a sweat before I go in. Today was a bit busy. I did have a sleep in because yes, I am on holidays from my regular job. And then I wrote a newsletter. Click the link in the bio for that link to join Measina Mail. I also wrote a blog. So if you haven't read that yet either, check out our social media, Instagram and Facebook. They have links there for the newest blog for Measina. So it tells you about our newest product, which is coming out in January. Measina Cultural Connection. So Measina Cultural Connection is a library of online video resources that are centered on Samoan language and culture. So yes, we're excited to have that launch in January, and we hope that you are too. Just finished walking at the beach. Very happy. I had my hoodie poncho. So it is like a towel and a hoodie together. Very, very helpful and very cool. So I have a code that will get you 15% off your anything from the hoodie. I'll leave it down here if you're interested. But yeah, I love my hoodie, and I know that you will too. I think it's 9. Today was a pretty crap day. I had planned to do several things for the business, and didn't finish it because the videos that I was trying to upload to the Measina Cultural Connection needed to be resized, so I had to edit like 20 videos before I could upload them. And it takes so much fucking time. I just felt deflated, like I didn't achieve what I wanted to achieve. And it's not really a great feeling for the last day of the year. I also feel like I'm close to a burnout, even though I'm on holidays. Because every little thing that everybody does just annoys the heck out of me. This was a pretty crappy last day of the year, actually. But I got to walk. Hope that 2025 starts better. Yeah. Manuel the toss on the floor. Happy New Year. So far, so far. Talofa lava. Welcome to the Samoan CEO Walking Diaries, day 10 of 365 days. I missed a day of walking. I was not in a great mindset. I had a bit of a meltdown, which then led to stomach problems and not being able to leave the house. So yay for the first day of 2025. I knew that I needed to wake up and get out of the house today and do my walk for my mental health. I started my morning in the garden, which is one of my favorite places, and it is somewhere that I feel relaxed, at ease, and yeah, so here's my garden. My sunflowers have started to bloom, even the big one, you can see the yellow coming out in that. I have sunflowers there. I have my other flowers on there. My frangipani is starting to bloom. If you see, there's little flowers there growing. My potatoes are looking a bit sad. My hibiscus and my nasturtium. Then my favorite gardenia. They smell amazing and remind me of Samoa. And I always love seeing our hibiscus bush blooming. It's pretty. I got a drone for Christmas. This is me trying out the different ways. This is follow, where it just follows you around. And then the other one is circle, where it just takes you around in a circle. Talofa lava. Today is day 11 of the Samoan CEO Walking Diaries. What am I going to tell you? I've had some great news. I was able to upload all of the videos for Measina Cultural Connections, and we have an official launch date, which is January the 20th. So I'll be talking about more about what Measina Cultural Connections is about and what you can expect from it. Oh, shame. I just got scared by a dog and then a man riding his bike behind me. Anyway, so Measina Cultural Connection is a library of Samoan video resources that will be online and available as a subscription. Yeah. And as part of the subscription, you get access to the whole library. So we have currently we have videos. We've got videos for Samoan language. We've got videos for children. We've got videos for Siva. So it's the whole beginner's course that we have, plus a couple of the new transitional course videos. We've got how to cook some Samoan foods, and what else? Some arts and crafts, Samoan art and craft. And so every month we will be updating the library with 4 new videos. That's the minimum. There may be bonuses, and so yeah. So we are looking for Samoan culture practitioners who would like to be a part of Measina Culture Connections. We hope to pay them for their time in sharing their knowledge of Samoan culture. If you know anyone who might be interested, tag them in this video. Okay, so far so far. Talofa Lava. This is day 12 of 365 days of Samoan CEO Walking Diaries. Today I've done nothing. I'm still in my pajamas and I'm walking at like 9 o'clock at night because it was freaking hot. I camped in front of the air conditioner, which is in the dining room, and yeah, that's about all I've done today. Something that's been on my mind. So I had mentioned that I have endometriosis and I'm waiting to get a hysterectomy and partial bowel resection. So that just means they're going to take out my uterus, which is where my adenomyosis is. So that will cure me of adenomyosis, my fallopian tube, my cervix, and a part of my bowel, which is currently stuck to an ovary and my uterus. So I've been waiting for this operation for over a year, close to 2 years now. And just the other day I got a phone call for a tentative. It's not confirmed, but it is a tentative operation date, which is in February. So one of the things that I've been dreading about it is the bowel prep. Like, I don't care that they're cutting me open and taking out my organs, but I don't want to do the bowel prep. Yeah. So I've been thinking about what kinds of white foods I can eat, because yep, food is all I care about. Yeah. Anyway, then I was also thinking about how after the operation I'm gonna have like a part of my bowel taken out, so is that going to restrict what I can eat? Because when I donated my kidney, I also got pancreatitis, and that meant that I was not able to eat for like a couple of days after the surgery, and that was the only time I cried. Not through the pain that the pancreatitis was giving me, but because I couldn't eat. And so that's what I'm scared about with the operation and after the operation. And then it got me thinking about, I know I'm going to have time off from my full-time work, but then my Measina work, what's going to happen to that? Who's going to do that? I have to plan all of that and get it all done beforehand so that I'm not worrying about it during the operation and during my recovery. And yeah, that's been my day today. It was 38 degrees. It is currently 27 and it's after 9 p.m. and it's going to be 39 degrees tomorrow. So hopefully I get on my walk tomorrow and it won't be too hot. So yeah, thank you very much, and so far so far. This is the Samoan CEO Walking Diary, day 13 of 365 days. It's a short one, doing exercise inside because It is filthy hot outside. Did nothing. It's a Sunday. Looking forward to waking up and starting work tomorrow. There's lots of things to do. Yeah, hope you're having a wonderful. And welcome to the Samoan CEO Walking Diaries Day 14 of 365 days. We are outside. It's been raining most of the morning, which has been wonderful because the last couple of days have been stupid hot. This morning I went and got a mammogram. So one of my close family members was diagnosed with breast cancer this last year, and so to be safe I went to get a mammogram to get checked. It was my first time. I was expecting it to be painful because other people had described it as being painful, but it was just flies. In my experience, it was just a little bit uncomfortable. Lots of pushing, squashing. Yeah. So looking forward to getting those results in about 2 to 4 weeks. I have almost completely finished Measina cultural connections. Today I did email sequences. Really boring part of business ownership is the background stuff. So when you sign up for something, it's going to send you an email and it'll follow up with you in a couple of days to make sure everything's okay, those kinds of things. So yeah, a bit boring. I had a really nice lunch for myself, and then we watched some TV series. So right now we're watching, what did we watch? We watched Landman, and I think we're watching Blue Bloods when we get home. I think that was all for today. Not much happening. It's cool. It's windy. I was going to go for a longer walk, but my stomach is feeling a bit sus. So heading home just in case. So yeah, whakataita lava, tō whā soifua. Talofa lava. You are watching the Samoan CEO Walking Diaries Day, I want to say 15 of 365 days. Today was a beautiful day. It was hot, but the weather was lovely. I was inside most of the time anyway. But today I went to a funeral. So with this funeral and with my upcoming operation, I have been thinking about what if something was to happen to me. Yeah, and I realized that even though I have super and I've named who I want my super to go to, unless I actually write a will, there's no guarantee that they're gonna listen to what I've put down for my super nominations. So my goal tonight before I go to bed is to write a will. Tell me in the comments if any of you have already written a will, what it was like for you, and whether you found it was easy to do by yourself, or did you need like legal support to do that. I am hoping that this is something simple I can do by myself, just because I don't have very many assets. But yeah, wills, something that we all need, and something that I plan to do today. Tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment, and then I plan to do more Measina work. And so I'm going to leave my walking diary here today. I am starting to feel not 100%, so I'm going to have to turn around and go back home. Yeah. Whaftaitele lava and tofa soifua. Ta'alofa lava. This is just going to be a diary today, not a walking diary. So yesterday during our diary I told you that my stomach was not feeling right, so I turned around and went home. I made it home just in time, and I was ready to go and run to the bathroom, so I did not have an accident. And then, so our front door, we use a keypad to get inside, but sometimes we also have a security door. And I didn't think that anyone was going to lock the security door, so I didn't take my keys. So I'm standing at my front door after the long walk and trying not to have an accident, and someone had locked the security door. And so I'm knocking and ringing the bell because I'm trying not to poop in my pants, and it felt like a good 10 minutes, but it was probably only like 3 or 4 minutes. But when you're like trying to hold in a poop, it's like forever and ever. And so yeah, very traumatic. My family opened the door finally, and yeah, I've not been feeling a great all today, stomach wise. And then someone in our household just tested positive for COVID, just to make things worse. And I did a test and I was negative, but now I'm like getting a dry throat and thinking, am I actually negative, or is this the Rona? And so I just kind of like stuck in my room, and I plan to retest myself again tomorrow, just to be safe. But yeah, no walking today, and hopefully negative again tomorrow. But hope you're having a great day, and we will talk again another day. Tested negative on day 5 of the Rona, so I'm free. Celebrated with some vegetarian big breakfast. Very much needed, very much enjoyed. And then I started to clean my room, put on my clothes in the washing, had a shower so that I could feel clean again. And I also changed my bedding. I have a new winter mattress and I love it, and I am so happy that I chose to purchase this mattress because it has helped so much with my backaches to have a space where I know I'd be comfortable to work, to watch, to rest, to recover, to be sick. And so I changed up the bedding on my new winter bed. Having a clean space after being sick is always something that you look forward to and that lifts your spirits and makes you feel better. So I was happy that I was able to do that cleaning and that I had the energy to do that. I wasn't able to do much else. After I cleaned, I rested. We went and ate lunch. I had sashimi, it was delicious, and then I brought some Talafalava, and welcome to day 16 of the Samoan CEO Walking Diaries. I was exhausted yesterday, and yep, I'm making an excuse as to why I did not walk, but today I am doing it. I just ate the best tassari time. They are ooh, scared me. They're a Pacific Islander food truck. They are based out in Melton, and their tassami time ribs are just amazing. I love them, and I was so happy that I got to have them. I've been wanting them for a while, but yeah, lots of different reasons, but I finally had them today, and so I'm quite full, so I'm going for a quick walk to see if that helps with digestion. But as today I was able to do? I recorded and I edited and posted our latest YouTube video. So if you want to check that out, it's on our YouTube channel, Measina Treasures of Samoa. There were common Samoan phrases that you can use every day. So if you're trying to, learn some Samoan phrases this year, go and watch our latest YouTube video. Also very happy to announce that we were able to launch Measina Cultural Connection for our Measina Mail VIPs. So if you want to get the latest news and deals from Measina Treasures of Samoa, then join Measina Mail. Yeah, get our newsletters weekly and just be part of our Ainga. I am very thankful that I am feeling a lot better and that I am able to walk and get out of the house. So I'm very happy that I'm able to do this. That's my diary for today. With Taitelala and Tofa Soifua. Talafalava, and welcome to the Samoan CEO Walking Diaries, day 17. Today is Saturday. Didn't really do very much. Got up, watered my plants, went to pick up groceries from the shop. Came home, unpacked, and I had like the massivest sleep. It was a good couple hours, and I don't even know why. Like, I was not tired. I was just, fell asleep. Slept for 2 hours and then wake up. It was like really hot. So today it got to 30. Oh, what about? Okay. Yeah. So I slept. Then we tried to stay cool, and we've ordered dinner because it's too hot for us to cook, and we're being lazy. So we're getting our walk in before dinner gets delivered. So that's what we're doing. Updates. So I recently got a breast screen done, and I got the results from that just a couple of days ago. So they were clear of cancer, no breast cancer, which is great news. And then crazies all over the road today. So yeah, I won't have to get another check till I'm 50, but they do have an option of checking again in 2 years if I want to. So I went and got my ADHD test referral letter, and I took photos and sent them. It's really noisy tonight. I took photos, sent them to the doctor, but the photos weren't clear, so now I'm like putting off getting it, what do you call it, scanned. I'm putting off scanning it, so I've still got to scan it and send it off, and I still haven't even done my will. I'm kind of stressing a bit because there's like 4 weeks to the tentative date for my operation, and they still have not given confirmation. So today I purchased some Optifast, so that I can start getting used to that, because I feel like that's something that I'm going to be having to drink after the operation, and it's not going to hurt if I lose a bit of weight before operation. So yes, that's my update. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Whakataite lava until fast sleep for a while. Talofa lava, and welcome to the Samoan CEO Walking Diary, day 18 of 365 days. Today is Sunday. We made it to the beach because it was a very warm day. It was lovely and cool at the beach. Very happy that I was able to get there. I hope that I'll be able to get there more often before I get back to work. So after the beach, we went home. It was still quite warm, but we went home, had a shower, had a bit of a rest, and then we figured out what we were going to do for the rest of the evening, which was going for a walk. So later that evening we went for a walk. But we've got a lot of things on our mind. The 20th, which happens to be tomorrow, today, the 20th of January, we are opening the doors to everyone for Measina Cultural Connection. So if you're interested in learning more about that, we will leave a link in the description or on the screen. So Measina Cultural Connection is a video library resource where you can learn different bits of Samoan culture from different Samoan cultural practitioners from around the world. We have Siva, we have Ngana Samoa, we've got Mea'ai Samoa, we've got arts and crafts, there's Siva Samoa, did I say that? And Siva Afi. Talofa lava, and welcome to the Samoan CEO Walking Diaries, day 18, 19 of 365 days. I am at the beach today. It was really rough, and I didn't stay very long because it was so rough. But yesterday I realized that next week I go back to my full-time job, so I wanted to have a bit of a rest. Monday was pretty full on. We did all of the background work to have Measina Cultural Connection up and running for everyone, so it is now live and you can subscribe or get a free 7-day trial. The link is in the bio. So Measina Cultural Connection is a video library of Samoan resources that teach you and connect you with Samoan culture. Available now. Went home, then we went out for a walk. We actually went for a walk. I'm very tired and my hair is a mess, but I went for a walk and I'm very grateful that I was able to do that. It was a beautiful evening. My hair was crazy. Talofa lava, and welcome to the Samoan CEO Walking Diary, day 20 of 365 days. So today I woke up really well. It's been extra hot these last weeks, and having COVID, I haven't slept well. I have not been able to use my CPAP machine, so I've not slept well. I've not had a good night's sleep. I've been extra tired, and last night I had a full 7 hours of sleep with my CPAP machine. And so I just wanted to jump on and say how much I love my CPAP machine and how much of a difference it has made in my life since using it. So I had tested for sleep apnea, I think it was 2 years ago, and I put off doing anything about it, because I didn't have the money, or I did not think I had the money. And so it took a while for me to rent a CPAP machine, and then I finally rented one and tried it out and ended up loving it. And so after that I purchased my own machine last year, and I've had it and I didn't really use it, so I did not see the benefits of it. And it wasn't until I had several nights and several weeks of consistent use that I saw the benefits. I was waking up not tired. I was waking up without headaches. I was waking up and just feeling bright and happy. And yes, so today my walking diary is all about how I love my CPAP machine. I have missed my CPAP machine, and I'm so happy that I'm back to using it because it has made a huge difference. I've also been planning out YouTube videos for our YouTube channel. Logan will be going to New Zealand in March for his first ever Siva competition, and we're excited to vlog about that. So if you're interested in seeing any of our videos, you can subscribe. The link to our channel is in the linky bits. Yeah, you can find them there. We also sent out our latest Measina mail newsletter. Yeah, so yeah, check that out. And I think that's all I have for my walking diary today. If you think you might need a sleep study, there are ones that you can do at home, so you don't actually have to leave the house. Yeah, but if you feel like you have sleep apnea, do a sleep study, get it checked out. CPAP machines are amazing. And yes, have a wonderful day. Have tijd en love and to a far